Okay, cool. Okay. Hey guys, it's Hoby with Kondor Blue here at NAB 2023, and we are doing it bigger and better than ever. Just a few things to start off. We're announcing a bunch of awesome new products, including a Panasonic and Western Digital collaboration handle for SSD recording. We're coming out with new Cardinal red cables, and we just launched the FX6 cage. And that is just the start. We're also having a bunch of awesome interviews with some great creators. Here at our booth, you can see behind me, we have the Orbit going. We're going to be able to have a downloadable 360 selfie powered by Atomos and Frame.io. And on top of all that, the biggest and the best thing is we're doing giveaways, a bunch of awesome giveaways. We're doing what's called a QR Quest, and that's like a scavenger hunt where you're going to come to our booth or any of our partner booths, you're going to scan our little QR codes, answer a couple questions, and boom, you are earning points. And points mean prizes. We're giving away things like cages, cables. Our partners are giving away monitors. Atomos is giving away monitors. DD's giving away microphones. Core's giving away batteries. And there's going to be multiple winners a day. So definitely come by the booth, scan the QR codes, and you can instantly start winning prizes. There's golden tickets, so even if you're here just for a few minutes, one scan can get you thousands of dollars worth of prizes. So it's going to be absolutely incredible. I hope to see you guys here. Have a good one. What's up, man? Ready? This is our brand new ProBlade SSD handle, and it uses SanDisk's ProBlade NVMe drives that slide right into the handle just like that. You can see just how sleek and compact this is right here. And what's awesome is this doesn't just have to be a top handle. This piece here can rotate and also be used as a side handle. And this just goes on via a NATO rail, either onto the top or on the side of a camera. All of our cages have NATO rails built into just about every side. And what's really cool here is this works perfectly with our right angle USB-C cables. And so you can see there's a NATO rail right on the front, and it acts as built-in USB-C protection. So you don't have to worry about bumps or damaging your ports or anything like that. There's also a safety release cold shoe built in here, as you can see. And this just provides a super simple, easy way to mount SSD drives, and it's the first time NVMe is coming to cameras.
Now we do FX6?
Yep.
Did you see what I did?
Another one of our new products that we are incredibly excited about is our new FX6 cage. And now this camera is a bit difficult to make cages for, so what we decided to do is we went with a 3-plate design right here on the top. And as you can see, a couple of the cool features we're really excited about is the relocation of the included monitor here to make it easy to use an external monitor with our top handle. And what's great is you don't even have to use our top handle. This middle plate can detach right here, and you can use the standard FX6 handle, and we actually have a FX6 handle extension as well. So, and that'll provide rod mounts here. Another really cool feature is this rotating NATO rail here on the side, and this will allow you to attach just about any accessory you want, like a wireless transmitter or a DTAP hub, and you can rotate it. Let me show you here. You can easily rotate this to get it out of the way if you're trying to use this grip efficiently. Lastly, we make it really simple to attach a battery plate here on the back, and this is you can easily lift this up so you can use the standard batteries included. So these are hot swappable. We also have this cable here that provides power directly from the battery plate. And this is possible with our M12 studs. They're actually so small you can't even see them here. But it's just a threaded mount that we attach these little 1.5-inch rods to, and that allows our battery plates to easily attach onto the back. Another really cool thing is some of the threads come off to the side here. They're a bit angled to make it easier. You have more room to grab the handle on the top. That's been another really big complaint. And the front here is one long NATO rail, so it makes it really easy if you want to attach a focus motor. This one has a base plate and rods, and you don't even necessarily need that because of this NATO rail. It's a NATO to rod mount here, and as you can see, we can have a little short 6-inch rod, and you can attach a motor right off of that. So there's a lot of really cool features that we like. We did a lot of R&D for this and really tried to figure out what people were looking for a cage for this, and we're pretty happy with the result. And if you guys like this trade show content, be sure to follow Walter Van Dusen. Maybe you can't go to every trade show. Well, he goes to all of them. So, and as you can see, he has this awesome rig here. And if you like this kind of content, please follow him. He is awesome. We love having him here.